Alright guys, Preston here. Um, I'm here at the next section of RubyMonk, 3.2 iterations. What's going to happen is we're going through for loops. Like Ruby most languages has an all-time favorite for loop, which is true. Ruby, PHP, JavaScript, CoffeeScript, whatever language always has a for loop. So Um, interestingly, nobody uses it much, which is also true. I can't remember many times that I've used the for loop. Let's leave alternatives for the next exercise. Here's how to use the Ruby. Alright, let's dive right into it. I'm going to break it down. So basically what's happening here is the array, which is equal to the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for I, which is a placeholder, and a placeholder is iteration for each of these elements inside the array. So I could be 1, I could be 2, 3, 4, or 5, and it says right here, inside the array, I. And for each I, it's going to print it out. Okay, now your turn. Okay, we're going to say values less than 4. So we know we have to do something that's less than 4. And the array is stored in source. So this is the pretend array, because the array is stored in that parameter, or which we would call an argument. So source is the argument. And my photo booth keeps pausing at weird times. Okay, destination is the array the empty array that they created for us. It's empty, and we're going to put variables into it. So let's get started. Our code's going to go right here. So we want to use the for loop. So we're going to say for, and let's use the placeholder I. I like that one. It's simple, it's small, easy to understand, and we're going to say in source, just like what's inside the parameters. Alright, and then we're going to say, my face keeps freezing. Alright, we're going to say destin, because this is where all of our elements are going to go into. It's going to go into the empty array. So we're going to use these arrows. Remember, we used the arrows to push things inside the array. So this is like a placeholder for this empty array. And now we're going to, wow, that looks funny. What a face. That's my O face, if you know what an O face is. Alright, let's, okay, we're going to push an I, but only if I is less than 4. Okay, so you get it, like, we're only going to push in the I elements only if the value is less than 4. And then we're going to put an end, more O faces. We didn't do that before, I don't know what's going on, but it must be because my laptop isn't currently connected to a charger, so it's saving power. Okay, so every time there's an if, you have to close it with an end. Same with define and end. Okay, so let's run this. And yeah, it worked. It worked really well. Okay. That's all I'm going to go through for right now, because it's, as you can see, it's 2:34 a.m. in the morning. and I have to go to sleep. So, yeah, good night, and I hope this helped you get through this problem, and better gave you a deeper understanding of what exactly is going on.